Thank you. Wow, thanks for the beautiful weather. Yo, good morning everyone. I just wake up, so it's about 6:30, and actually I used to wake up for 4 a.m. and I take sleep again because I think I need. So today I'm gonna show you my daily life as the freelancer designer, and I got a new toy for you that I'm gonna show you later on. And the reason why I use this like jacket, you know, is like the sweater, because the weather last night was freezing and I couldn't say anymore, so I just used this. We got like, you know, it over here is so huge, the air conditioner, but you know, this is good user experience, so you just need to enter here, and then you can easily to setting the temperature like this. It's getting hot and it's getting cold. And the reason why do I turn off all of those lamps is because if we are sleeping, we need the time that our eyes really taking rest, you know. And in the every morning I almost don't pick up my phones. I don't use my MacBook. So if you see here, this is my phone, right? And you see the messages is about 100, and then if you're open in the email, you'll see there's a lot of inbox. And I always charging my MacBook because sometimes that I got the meetings and then there's no charging plugin, so make sure you have to charge your own MacBook for 100%. And the thing that I really like is the tea, not a coffee, you know. Tea in the morning is better than anything, I think so, with the hot water, and yeah, it's nice. Well, actually I got the breakfast time maybe 7 or 8 a.m. so right now just prepare myself, you know. I couldn't go to anywhere with this crowded hairstyle and faces, you know. So I tell you, right, if you want to get a job as a freelancer, you have to take care of your hairstyle, because the people don't see you exactly like in the real life. So if you meet the people in the video call, you have to wear maybe at least a medium close-up faces, and then hairstyle and your clothes, right? So I think this gonna improve and enhance your chance to get a job as the freelance. So do you agree if the hairstyle could enhance your chance to get a freelancer job? Please write in the video's comment. So we're ready to taking a breakfast, and let's go. So this is what I eat almost every day in the morning for the breakfast, such as fruits and small bread, and then cereals, and with the juices. But mostly Indonesian, maybe 80% from Indonesia, they are eating rice or noodle in the morning. But to be honest, that if I'm taking rice in the morning, I'm gonna fall asleep for maybe 5 minutes after eating rice. Oh, look at that, I got a new job from the email, you see that? So I think mostly they're from my YouTube. They're watching one of my video and they're interested to working together. So I think the YouTube is quite nice. So this is what I did for the last couple months. I think this is for the last month. Well, I got almost 3,000 new subscribers over here with the 100 of you. So I told you right that I got a new toy for you, but actually the toy is like a Procreate. You might familiar with the Procreate in the iPad. So with the Procreate or what the fuck is that? You could easily to design and drawing the icons or even the illustration for the user interface design. And the reason why did I bought this one, because I think I need to fulfill my spare time instead of scrolling the social media. So this is the number of my room, and what makes me feel nice, like you see, if you click this button inside, it will affect to this lamp, so means that nobody could disturb you, and also you can take it for the bell. Hey bro, can you come here?
No?
Yeah, to my hotel, so we can take a video together.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
I will be there.
See you soon. Bye.
Bye.
So I just called my friend. He's working in Malaysia, but he's working remotely like I do. So we're gonna ask him the question that you might want to know, so we could learn from his experience and his knowledge. So the app is called Pocket, and this is from the Procreate. If you are using the iPad, you might familiar with the Procreate, but this is for the mobile, because I have no iPad yet, because I don't have a plan to buy the iPad. And this is the place that I could easily to design the illustration for the client that I'm working with, and also that you could see that this is for the empty state in the mobile user interface design. It's like maybe your server is not fun, which is 404. Well, I believe this app is quite nice if you are the illustrator and you want to explain your idea to your client quickly. So just with the mobile phone, you don't have to use the iPad. So after I complete the breakfast, before I start to communicate with my whole team in Singapore and Malaysia, I want to start my day by improving my knowledge and my experience by reading this book. Okay, basically this book is teaching me be more confident in any situation. And if you need something and then you believe and you go after it, you focus on that something, you will get that one. So it's quite nice to reading this book, and I think you have to start your own book. I mean, you don't have to write your own book, but reading some books that improve your knowledge, because if you open-minded, you could learn anything from anyone, even for the books. But after you read this book, you have to implement this method to your life, because otherwise you just read and then suddenly you got nothing. Coming! Oh, I think he's my friend. Oh, there you are. Okay, you good?
Yes,
Yeah,
I'm
thank you for
good.
coming. And
Okay.
we're gonna interview you as the remote working, right?
Okay, nice.
Yeah.
Hello, my name is Fauji. I'm working as UI UX designer for a Malaysian company. The reason why I'm working remotely is I have much time for another activity, like working while traveling or traveling while working. One tip for me when working remotely is good communication with a team. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Thank you.
So this is your current project?
Yes, this remotely project.
Oh, cool. So you use Sketch, right?
Yes.
Wow, cool. No mouse, just touchpad?
Yes.
Oh, amazing.
I like.
Hi everyone, my name is Angga. I'm product designer, and currently I'm working remotely in the Singapore and Malaysian company. The reason why do I work remotely is because I want to travel the world and working to earn money. So the tips that I could give to you while working remotely, number one is the communication. The communication is really important to you because you want to explain your idea to your team in terms of the design or development. The secondly is the internet connection. If I say you are the team leader and you have to communicate every day and anytime with your teams, maybe you could use video call or voice call. So make sure those components are really good to go, otherwise you couldn't work remotely, right? Well, that's all from me, and I hope it was useful for you. So I'm gonna see you soon. Goodbye.